Look at the froth. Just look at the froth. If you're a bartender and you've been shaking up espresso martinis, right? And you got this little whisper of foam right here. Look at the head you got on this. Look at it. So a lot of y'all have asked us, okay, behind bar, why use Gerald's Espresso versus something like a cold brew concentrate? We're just gonna go into what it does, how it looks when you use it, the presentation, the aesthetics. That's a very important part, not just how a product tastes, but also how it looks. So let me show you what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I have some cold brew concentrate that I made. We are gonna shake this up, we're gonna put it in a glass, and you're gonna see how that looks, okay? Let's start there. So we're gonna put this one here. We're gonna let it chill, right? Just gonna let it kind of shimmer right there. Now we're gonna take our Gerald's, right? We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna shake this sucker. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just want you to see how this reacts. We use the same amount of stuff, right? This one is alive, right? Look at the difference of how the foam even looks, right? Look how it's falling. This one's falling more like a Guinness, and this one looks more like a Pilsner, right? It's not a thick boy. This thick boy want to be this thick boy. Like, this is Hot Boy Summer right here, and he's just kind of like, oh man, I wish I was that thick, right? This one is double cheeked out on a Wednesday for no reason. For no reason, right? Look at this and then look at that. Look at this and then look at that. Then look at this and then look at that. Would you just look at it, right? That's why we use this instead of cold brew concentrate. And honestly, who wants cold brew concentrate anyways, right? Do you know how you make a cold brew concentrate? You just grind up 5 pounds of coffee, which is expensive right now, right? You put that in a bucket, you put water on it, and you leave it on a counter for 24 hours, and you're like, look at me, I did something. No, I don't think so. Where's the pizzazz, right? Where's the intentionality? It ain't there, right? Did all the hard work so you don't have to. We did all the intentionality so you don't have to. Boom, bop, right there.